Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with Scott and Kevin. They're back here behind me. And we come on Gardner Canyon Road, and this is Kentucky Camp Road. Never been over this way, over in this area anyway. RV sites. So we're going up this way first and see what this Kentucky camp is. Abbey.
Church.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's an abbey, and there's a picture of a cross that looks like a church over there.
Maybe it's Abbey Church. If it was normal, it'd be Abbey Normal. Entering private property. It didn't say keep out, did it?
Oh.
Forest Road 163 Kentucky Camp. What does the other one say? Oh my god. On the map here, it's like a spider web of trails.
Yeah, that's why it's so
it's
good.
just a marked trail. It says something, one less spark, one less wildfire. Yeah, it looks like a desert trail.
I mean, they're all over out there.
You know?
Holy cow. Oh, I don't know what to do. I guess go that way. Or we want to go to Kentucky Camp first.
Oh, I don't care.
I have no idea. We're just going. Leaving private property. Okay. Stay left, Kevin. Scotty, stay left.
Okay.
Stay left on the right side.
Yep, you would never steer me wrong.
Oh no. Never. Not your own father.
Trailing out. Which way?
Not maintained for passenger use. Roads with vertical markers. Not maintained for passenger use.
Oh, it's a good thing we're all drivers.
Well, they all got vertical markers. What does this one say? No vehicles off roads.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So in other words, stay on the road. This is actually some pretty nice roads. Pretty
Yeah,
good.
no.
It's good dirt.
Trail.
Yeah, it's good dirt. It's not like real slick or not too sandy yet anyway.
There's some spots that I thought for a second looked like might be.
Yeah. Few, but I mean, it's not bad like some we've been on the whole thing. You know, it's just little spots. I about hit that mud hole too fast. I hit the brakes. I bet you right after the rain, that's pretty slick, muddy.
Oh, yeah, you can see the tire marks.
Yeah, you can see them tracks. It's muddy when it's right after the rain, I guarantee you.
Another trail off that way.
It really is a spider web, huh?
Yeah, they're just all over the place on this map.
somebody's side-by-side came through here when it was muddy.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Holy cow.
Got some ruts.
Those are some serious ruts. They were struggling. The whoop section.
Yeah, no doubt.
A really, really unorganized one.
Stuff's got sand on it.
Yeah, there's some sand in spots.
Oh, that's a ditch. You wouldn't want to go off from there.
Scotty, you can jump that ditch on your right. If you stay off the road, you can jump that ditch.
Yeah. That is a hell of a ditch.
If you stay off to the right, you dang well better jump that ditch. Or you're in serious trouble if you didn't.
Well, that's like one of those potholes we were talking about, Saul.
Yeah, that looks like the pothole there by the Dutch Bros.
Yeah.
This is a fun little trail.
That is pretty cool. And they're just all over out here.
This is some of the best trail we've been on.
It is. I mean, and they're just, that's what I say. There's a lot of exploring out here. These little trails go all over the place. There's a pond Kevin can go through.
Kevin made a dirt devil.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
You're going to make the mama mad. She's going to hit you.
Look at the green under this tree. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
Look, see, there's one up through there.
Yep.
They're all over out here. Campsite there. Pretty good. Be a good place to go camping. Come out here and camp and ride these trails.
Oh yeah.
I'll say, come all the way out this far, because if you come out this far, less people will probably bother you.
Yeah. I mean, heck, you could bring the Jeep from out here with the bikes on it, on the trailer. I mean,
Wish.
Huh?
I see the windshield clear way up there.
I mean, I could bring the Jeep, the Gladiator, if you would pull it with the Honda Civic.
I was going to say the Honda Trail.
Yeah, the Honda Civic, you can pull it.
I'll pull it with my trail, and then we'll bring the other bikes on the back.
That's true. Just hook
That way we can
the
fit an extra
trailer
bike
on the trail, yeah.
Yeah, you can put the Gold Wing on the back, and I'll pull it.
You'd have to watch around the corners out here, or you'd thing side by side flying around through here, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh.
Someone's all the way out here.
Uh-huh. As far as he made it, so he broke down.
Here's all those tire marks back there in the mud.
Yeah, that's his tire marks. I don't know where to go. I don't know. Just go, I guess.
Yep, that's the plan. Yeah.
You gotta be careful coming over some of these tops. You end up going into a mud hole deeper than your tire on accident.
Yeah, no doubt.
You don't know what's gonna be over there. It's crazy.
Let's see what that is down there. How do you tell? Somebody camping down here.
We were coming back to the back of something. There's a fence over here.
There we go, right, I guess. License required for all vehicles, all drivers to operate on this road. Not right, go straight is what I meant.
Highway legal vehicles only. So it's like an actual road.
I guess.
Huh. I wonder where that comes out at.
Ain't no telling. It's a long road back through there. Their road
I come out all the way in Tucson.
Yeah. There's a mountain up here, it shows on the map. Granite Mountain, I think it says, I can't tell. Yeah, Granite Mountain. It's probably right over there. I don't know if it's that little one or the big one behind it.
Yeah.
It's showing on the map. These are sweet roads.
They really are. It's just about perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, not too much, not too little.
We'll have to
Enough to keep things interesting.
haul the CTs over here and ride them.
There's a little pond down here.
This is like one of the best places we found.
Look at that. We can camp at a pond.
No doubt. It is cool. There's a road around.
That's cool. We can camp right on a pond, man.
Bring your fishing poles.
That's cool.
You got a camp spot right there.
So you can get a picture of our bikes, the fire pit, and the water right there.
Good looking pond, really.
Yeah, this is nice.
I named it Camp at Pond. Hey, this is a good spot to camp. I mean, you got, even if you wanted a person to have shade right up in there. Nice mud hole. You drink out of that. Look at that. There's campgrounds out in there. Campsites.
Yep. They're all over the place out here.
No kidding. Too much for one video. We better end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. We'll have a part 2 and 3 and 4. Who knows of what of this area, because it's just going to be a lot of riding out here for one long video. So,
And I'm sure we'll be back.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, and we'll be coming back to it, no doubt. Catch y'all on the next one. Ride on.